Variety Children's Charity is dedicated to improving the lives of underprivileged, at-risk, and special needs children throughout Iowa. We offer a number of programs. Probably the biggest that we have is our grant program. We've given money to over 90 different nonprofit organizations throughout the state that are centrally focused on kids only.
Variety funding is pretty powerful. So I've been in my current facility since 1997, and that space was founded by the Blank family, the Blumenthals, and also Variety. The last round of funding through Variety was for our next expansion, which we just completed. Variety, in essence, was the lead gift, and we added, in essence, 32 more beds and a whole bunch more clinical space to that expansion.
We have a new bike program for kids that might not otherwise even have a bike. We give those bikes away with a helmet, lock, teach them how to take care of it. And we also have a specialized bike program that these are kids that have disabilities, and we custom fit them with a bike. These can be very expensive bikes. We gave away 32 of them last year in 2015 alone. On our new bike program, we gave 1,700 bikes away last year. We also have our Variety vans, and in the last 40 years, we've given away 400 different vans to nonprofit organizations that use these vans to transport kids.
Yeah, this beautiful van we got about 3 years ago, and this actually is awesome because we transport kids all over the place. We do have a school on campus, but some of our kids will go to their home school if appropriate. So we use this van to get them around, but we have the kids going to lots of activities. We go to concerts, we go to ball games, we go to parks. So having a big vehicle like this is really helpful.
Since 1983, Hy-Vee has donated more than $16 million to Variety. It's easily one of the biggest and most important donations we make every year. We're so honored to work with an organization that helps children and families overcome traumatic events and supports those living with severe physical or emotional conditions. We know the difference Variety makes in the life of a child, and we enjoy playing a role in that.
So we fund the programs a variety of different ways, pun intended, but our biggest event is the telethon. Anybody who's spent any time at telethon realizes this is our rallying cry. This is the signature moment throughout the year where we go and we ask everybody to participate. When you get here, the energy that you have, the cast that comes in to participate and perform, they do this for free. These aren't paid people, they come in because they know it's important. And so when you're around that energy is infectious, and it continues to want to go out and do more.
Our partnership with Variety goes back to the very beginning of our company, and really we wouldn't be where we're at today without that support.
For me personally, working with and volunteering for Variety continues to be a favorite activity. I'm so proud to work for a company that at its very roots strongly believes in providing support to children, families, and charities throughout the Iowa communities our stores serve.
So if you wanted to get involved, we've got a number of events that we'd love to have volunteers, people that show up, help us raise money, from driving people around to checking people in, helping at the auctions. Part of it is just getting people to go out and tell the story of Variety and what we do. But obviously with our nonprofit organizations that we give money to, there's a ton of different ways that you can get involved with your time and your treasure.